Okay, so today we have a AliExpress haul. This is a pretty big haul. So let's open this and see what we have inside here. And usually when you buy from AliExpress, you open your packages and there's a whole bunch of packages inside like here, like so. So open these up. I don't even think I did my tagline. Yo, 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 another day, another adventure. So let's, today we're gonna unbox this AliExpress haul. So let's open this one first. Let's start off with these smaller ones. I don't even remember what I ordered. I know for sure that there's 2 hoodies in here, and I also know that there's a pair of pants. I would imagine this one is the hoodies. I would imagine these are the hoodies here, and this is a pair of pants here. So let's, oh, these are pretty cool. These are headbands. Got a couple different colors. I don't even know if I'm gonna wear all of these, but like I just wanted to get a bunch of different colors, you know, so I can like switch them up with my outfits and stuff like that. Yellow one. I feel like I have so much yellow. Like I got like these 2 yellow hoodies, and like I'm looking at my Instagram photos, and like there's so much yellow in there. So I'm like, what is this one? I think this is a headband too. Yeah, this is I think this was a face mask, actually. Yeah, this was a face mask or something. It was like $1 or $2 or something I got. Yeah, this is a face mask. I don't exactly know how it works, but I'll figure it out. But yeah, this next thing, I don't know what this is. It's really small. Oh, this is a measuring tape. Yeah, this is a measuring tape. This is really important when you're ordering things offline, so you can measure yourself, you know? So put that one there. This is another mystery package. I don't know what this one is. And this one. And once we have, looks like we got a pair of shorts. I love shorts. So like we got a pair of shorts here. These are pretty chill. What size are these? Will these even fit? This is an Asian X large. Yeah, it's American medium. I think these will fit just fine. Like they look like they'll fit, you know. These shorts. What do they feel like? I don't know. They're not like the best. Honestly, it's not like the best fabric in the world. I'm just gonna keep it real, but it's something good to like, you know, wear around the city, skate in, and then, you know, throw it away after some time. Now let's go over to this one. I don't know what this one is. Maybe it's a pair of shorts or something like that. Oh, these are some shirts. These are really cool shirts, actually. So these are like 3D printed shirts. And it can kind of be tricky when you're ordering off AliExpress just because the sizing can be very different, right? So this one, this is an XL, but this actually looks like more like a medium. This looks like it can totally fit me. This is a gay shirt, by the way. It's like, it says gay all over the place. I got this for Lori. I thought Lori would really like this, so I'm showing off Lori's shirt to y'all before Lori sees it. So yeah, this is a gay shirt. And then this is just another yellow shirt. I don't know what's up with me in yellow. Like I wasn't wearing yellow for so long, and then now all of a sudden I've just bought so much yellow stuff. So we have this one here. That looks really cool. Not the best San Francisco shirts because it's always cold and windy, but if you're in a warm place, this fabric is like almost see-through type fabric. It's a very, very light material. It's not heavy at all. It feels like it'd be really easy to wear. Really cool shirts. Really cool shirts. And then what is this one here? I have no idea what this is, but it's really small and really thin. Oh, these are these are the tips for the AirPod Pros. I lost some of my tips, and I got replacement tips. So these are replacement tips for AirPod Pros right here. Now you guys may wonder, why are all these things packaged in different packages and then put into one package? I don't exactly know why they do it that way. My only guess is maybe there's like different sellers, and like sellers in China will like send the items to one location, and then once they get to that one location, they'll just put them all together. It doesn't work like that. Like I've bought, like, let's say 8 things together, and like 6 of the things came in one package, and then the other 2 things came in like separate packages. I guess it really depends on what you're ordering and where it's coming from and the shipping times and all that. Here we have, these are a pair of pants. Yeah. Cool. Just another pair of sweatpants to add to my insane sweatpants collection. Yeah, we got this one here. These are pretty cool. It's pretty dope. And then here, oh, we have another small one. No, that's not a small one. That one. This one we already opened. And here we have this one here. These are 2 hoodies. I wanted to get different colors. So the first one is the green one. And I just really like hoodies a lot. I've bought a lot of hoodies from this seller in the past. These hoodies cost about $10 on AliExpress. I've bought a ton of these. I have like yellow, green, black, blue. Like I have so many colors, and like now I wanted to get green. And this is a double XL, right? And this really looks like a medium. And here, I think this is a different size. I think this one's smaller. Yeah, I think this one's smaller. Yeah, this one is a medium. No, this is a large. I just got different sizes because I wanted to go for different like fits. Sometimes I like to wear big hoodies, and then sometimes I would like to wear like fitted hoodies that are like, you know, really small. And then usually sometimes I like to wear 2 hoodies. So I'll wear like a smaller hoodie, and then I'll wear a larger hoodie on top. Because, you know, if it's windy and cold and stuff, and I just want to rock a hoodie just because I want to rock a hoodie, like that's just kind of how I do it. So I got this gray one here, and I like this gray one. This is dope. I probably rock this one today actually, but I'm already wearing gray, so maybe I'll wear this green, because this green is like a different color green I have. A lot of the other greens I have is like that safety color green, and I just wanted to switch up with the greens, you know, just switch up with my greens. And this here is my AliExpress haul. Lots of cool things in this whole package. You can just get random stuff off AliExpress. There's so many things you can get on AliExpress. Like since I discovered AliExpress, I don't know, I just love it. It's really awesome. But anyway, like, comment, subscribe. Thanks a lot for watching, and peace out, yo.